So I used to believe that having an online business has got to do so much about finding a product, promoting that product, getting people to buy a product, and then shipping that product and having all the logistics and handling all of those things and making it a very complicated website where people can browse through your products and all these kind of things. But since I've discovered the digital six-figure blueprint of how people build businesses around digital products, I've been so intrigued and been enjoying so much building my online business because it gives me time freedom and the capacity of building an online business without having to fulfill logistics around physical products, as well as having a done for you website and a done for you digital product. So I don't have to even create the platform or the digital product that I promote. If you're interested in finding out more how you can start an online business through marketing digital products, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to share the six-figure blueprint with you. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, be blessed. I'll catch you on the flip side.